Are you preparing for the MCAT exam and looking for the best books to help you succeed? The journey to medical school can be daunting, but with the right tools, it's absolutely achievable. One of the most crucial elements of your preparation is choosing the right study materials. The books you pick can make or break your MCAT exam performance. So how do you decide which ones are the best fit for you? Stay tuned as we explore the top books that will help you ace your MCAT. First on our list is the Princeton Review MCAT Complete Box Set. This comprehensive set is a powerhouse of knowledge that covers all the subjects you'll encounter on the MCAT. Each book in the set is dedicated to a specific subject, ensuring you have a thorough understanding of each topic. What sets this collection apart is its focus on practice tests. We all know practice makes perfect, and this box set is committed to that mantra. It provides numerous practice tests to help you get a feel for the real exam and to track your progress. But it doesn't stop there. This set also comes with detailed answer explanations, enabling students to learn from their mistakes and improve. It's not just about knowing the right answer, it's about understanding why it's the right answer. This book set is for you if you need an in-depth review of all MCAT subjects. Next up, we have Kaplan's MCAT Complete 7-Book Subject Review. This book is a treasure trove for those who yearn for an extensive and detailed review. Each subject gets its own dedicated book, allowing you to delve into the nitty-gritty of the material in a way that's comprehensive yet digestible. But Kaplan's offering doesn't stop at the books. When you purchase this set, you also gain access to an array of online resources. This includes a suite of practice tests that simulate the actual MCAT exam, helping you get a feel for the real thing before D-Day. In addition, the package comes with educational videos that break down complex topics into easy-to-understand segments. In essence, Kaplan's MCAT Complete 7-Book Subject Review is not just a set of books. It's a holistic learning tool, bridging traditional text-based learning with modern digital resources. Choose Kaplan's if you want a deep dive into each subject, complemented by helpful online resources. Third on our list is the Exam Crackers MCAT Study Package. This package stands out for its concise and easy-to-understand approach, making it a perfect choice for those who already have a solid grasp of the subjects and need a quick review. Unlike other study materials that may overwhelm you with an abundance of information, Exam Crackers delivers its content in a digestible manner. It's like having a knowledgeable friend explain complex concepts to you over a cup of coffee. What sets Exam Crackers apart is its emphasis on practice, and more practice. The package comes loaded with a wealth of practice questions designed to test your understanding and application of the concepts. It also includes full-length tests that simulate the real MCAT, helping you to familiarize yourself with the exam format and timing. So, whether you're a seasoned pre-med student or someone looking for a quick refresher, Exam Crackers could be your secret weapon. If you prefer concise review with plenty of practice questions, consider Exam Crackers. Choosing the right book is a crucial step in your MCAT preparation. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed so far. We started off with the Princeton Review MCAT Complete Box Set. This comprehensive set comes with a bundle of resources including full-length practice tests, detailed answer explanations, and strategies for tackling each section of the exam. It's a great all-in-one solution for those looking for a thorough, well-rounded study guide. Next, we delved into Kaplan's MCAT Complete 7-Book Subject Review. This set stands out for its in-depth content review and practice questions for each subject tested on the MCAT. It's a strong choice for learners who crave detailed explanations and plenty of practice material. Finally, we explored the Exam Crackers MCAT Study Package. This set is known for its concise, easy-to-understand material and its focus on strategies for answering MCAT questions effectively. It's particularly suited to self-study students who prefer a more straightforward, strategy-oriented approach. Each of these books brings something unique to the table, and the best one for you will depend on your individual needs and learning styles. Ask yourself, do you prefer comprehensive content or concise summaries? Do you learn best from detailed explanations or strategy-focused guides? Does a structured study plan appeal to you, or do you prefer to chart your own course? Remember, the best book is the one that meets your specific preparation needs. Good luck with your MCAT preparation.